Yeah, you getting the screen? This hello, good evening. This
Yes,
is
sir.
we start with the yes. This is we start with the two famous gentlemen. Basically, they are the basically fundamental pillars of the automata and this thing, automata and formal language. Uh, this is Noam Chomsky at his younger age, and Noam Chomsky, you all know, he is a multifaceted talent. He is a linguist. He is a great mathematician. He also talk lot of. He is a supporter of nuclear anti-weapon program, peace, nature. He is still active. His only thing he doesn't get a Nobel Prize. Why he doesn't get Nobel Prize? This person cannot get Nobel Prize. Who else? That is the anything anybody. And this is everybody, please your microphone off, please. Then we'll take questions at the after 10 minutes. Okay, and this is our Alan Turing. He is a marathoner. He loves marathon, and these two gentlemen, but these two gentlemen probably may not see them each other. Turing died 1952, and the seminal work of Noam Chomsky is on 1956. But they are the most fundamental. He has invented Turing machine that is the still this is the most powerful machine, and this is he is the ultimate of the languages. The languages and machines are tied to each other. Each language takes one machine. So that is, I think you know probably know. Next slide. This is a famous slide everywhere show. This is we have already covered the regular languages. Left hand side a variable or non-terminal, right hand side single terminal, or right hand side n can be a variable. This is right linear grammar. If there is a variable before, the left side, that is called left linear grammar. Both rule cannot be there. That is called the context free grammar, and it can be done by finite state machine. These finite state machines are everywhere. You see our elevator, our HTTP protocol, our HTTP protocol. Please make your connection off. There's some noise is coming. Please, because it is recorded, and it will be. Please, everyone, please put their microphone off so that
Right,
noise
right.
is. Please, please. Yeah. So this is a context-free grammar. Because why context-free? There at the right left hand side variable, there is
Sorry,
only variable, no terminal. Please make your off.
Nagotex.
Please make your all of your microphone off and video off, please. After just 10 minutes, you put a question one at a time. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So this is we have already covered regular. This is the context free, and this context free is the all the programming languages are built on context free. Context free again the two part. One is the deterministic PDA, recognized by deterministic PDA, that is deterministic context free languages. Another is non-deterministic context free languages. Again, non-deterministic context free languages, very difficult to parse. So in all our programming languages, we will use the context free language only the which is deterministic, that which can be recognized by push down automata. And next is a more higher level of language, and there it is a context sensitive language, and there is recursive. These are very difficult language, and these all can be realized understandable by Turing machine. But main question is why there's right now we have a one useful machine, that is finite state machine, deterministic finite state machine, and other is deterministic push down automata. These two machines are realizable, and it can do our job. And another is Turing machine. Turing machine also with the two part deterministic and non-deterministic, but they are like finite state machine same. So deterministic Turing machine. So when to where to use when, and which machine to where we use which machine. So there is one Bengali saying that you must kill mosquitoes with appropriate gun. Don't use cannons to you fight with the mosquitoes. So whenever there's a problem statement is can be done by finite state machine, use finite state machine. Like whenever you are running programming languages, whenever you go for the compiling, the first stage is compiling is lexical analysis. Lexical analysis is lexa that is done by only a finite state machine. that is it creates a token. So your